Hey everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to manage the different products in your inventory. You can track quantity and movement history and modify details of your merchandise. Let me show you how it works. We'll start by navigating to Settings, Inventory Management. Here, we can manage all items sold through our business. We can scroll through the different items and view product information like name, brand, vendor, product category, barcode ID, average and current business cost, sales price, quantity, and tax information. Any products with variants will display the different options underneath the main item. We can select the arrow icon to collapse all variants behind the main product. To the right of any product or variant, we can select the Action menu, then select Edit to modify details of our product. We can update any information such as the name, description, barcode, price, quantity, variants, and other settings. We'll select Save at the bottom of the screen once finished. If we recently received a shipment of products and need to add to our stock, we can select the Action menu next to the desired item and select Add. Vagaro will display our product details. The quantity field will display as 0. We can enter any number under the item to add that amount to the current stock. Once complete, we'll select Save at the bottom of the screen and Vagaro will update the quantity accordingly. Removing items will follow a similar process. We can select the Action menu next to a particular item, then Subtract. We can set the quantity, select a reason for removal, and leave a note if desired. We'll select Save to confirm removal of the selected item. From the Action menu, we can also duplicate the item, view a history of product movements, such as previous sales and restocks, create a direct link to purchase online, view the product through our booking page ourselves, or delete the item from our inventory. In the top right, we can search for specific products or filter based on different factors like items for sale, business use only, packaging, and more. We can also filter by in-stock, zero or low quantity products, as well as brand, category, and vendor. We can also manage the sort order of products in our inventory settings or the display order of products sold online. To the right, we can download a digital copy or print a physical copy of our displayed items. To manage multiple products at once, we can select Edit in the top left. We can select Subtract Quantity to remove multiple products from our inventory at once. Edit All allows us to make changes to vendor, price, quantity, and tax rates all from the inventory management screen. We can modify information, then save once finished. If we need to update the same information for multiple products, we can select Mass Edit, then choose from multiple categories to update. For example, we can set the same tax rate for all items of a particular brand and category at once. Finally, we can select multiple items from our menu, then select Edit, Delete to mass remove products from our inventory. We can also select Undo Delete to restore all products that were removed from a selected date to the present. Through inventory management, we can add, modify, and track all items sold or used through our business, and even produce reports of product movements, allowing us to maintain an organized list of our merchandise. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.